would like to say that the Pahalgam attack which happened was very cowardice attack on our innocent civilians, and we, Indian Armed Forces, know how to put these cowards into coffins. And this is what Operation Sindoor was all about. Just after the Indian Army decided to launch a decisive operation against the enemy terror infrastructure, we as artillery gunners have received the orders to deploy in our op area as soon as possible. We have deployed in a very short, quick time frame and then have started preparing our defences and waited for the right moment to come. On the night of 7th, 8th and 9th and 10th of May, when we received the orders, we hell broke on enemy. We have targeted more than 20 enemy positions and fired more than 600 rounds onto the enemy locations. And these enemy locations were specifically the enemy terror camps, their launch pads and the enemy post which supported or facilitated the infiltration into our own motherland.
Comes that Indian Army artillery destroy the gun positions in Hazira and Rawalakot totally, and it was the fact that the sounds heard by the people of Poonch sector heavily and strongly retaliation of Indian Army, and it is fact that the gun positions of Pakistan Army in Hazira and Rawalakot definitely destroyed.
Yeah, on this I would like to say that all the targets which were given to us from our higher headquarters, they have been engaged very precisely and accurately and with lots of firepower. So we have successfully damaged their men, material and most importantly their morale. Presently we are here in a well concealed, tactically or strategically located gun position which is ready to thwart or counter any of the enemy threats, be it their aerial threat or their counter bombardment. Once we are here, our troops remains vigilant, they are alert, they are highly motivated and they are standing resolute to protect our nation's interest. I just want to tell you that our job is very simple here. That is to put orders into effect on ground by creating hell for the enemy. We have done it, they have seen it, they have suffered it and they have already felt the heat. I just want to give one message that if our enemy shows one more aggression, they will feel the heat again and I am sure they will not like it.
Operation against Pakistan, Army nefarious designs, and the gun which is the latest technology gun you have and which is used during this Sindoor operation. And please tell me the drastic effects of this gun against the enemy and range of the gun.
To disclose any of the confidential things, I think simply this gun is capable, this gun is very advanced, is capable of targeting enemy way beyond the enemy's thinking. It can strike deep down inside the enemy territory. Just to give you a quick number, it can strike more than 15 kilometers.
Right. Captain, आप उस LOC पे डटे रहे सिंदूर ऑपरेशन के अंदर और आपकी आरटी ने भरपूर पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जो पाकिस्तान ने यहाँ पे सिविल एरिया पे शेलिंग की और सिविल इनोसेंट 13 पीपल्स को शहीद कर दिया और बहुत सारे जो रेजिडेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर्स थे वो भी तबाह हो गए और इवन जो स्पिरिचुअल जो रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस थे उनको भी टारगेट किया। तो आपकी स्ट्रांगली रिटेलिएशन से ऐसा इनपुट्स आ रहा है कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर जितने गन पॉइंट थे जो बहुत मजबूत गन पॉइंट हजीरा एंड रावलाकोट वो टोटली डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिए गए इंडियन आर्टिलरी की रिस्पॉन्स से। तो इसको किस नज़र से देखा जा रहा है?
इस पे मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि वी इंडियन आर्मी आर द मोस्ट प्रोफेशनल आर्मी. वी डू नॉट बिलीव इन टारगेटिंग सिविलियंस अनलाइक आर एडवर्सरी. Once they were not able to engage the enemy army infrastructure effectively, they have resorted to shell or they have resorted to artillery shelling in the civilian areas. And once we got the info about this, we have fired onto the targets very effectively, very precisely, killing and damaging those assets which have tried to shell our civilian areas.